How to get fast first non-Nan daily value of a data frame while keeping the shape and index? I have the following pd.dataframe. I would like to convert it into the following form. I have managed to achieve this in the following way. Such that df2 equals df3 evaluates to true. My problem is that my way is quite slow for a large pd.dataframe, and I am wondering how it can be made much faster.
One solution. Just get the first one value in each row. Set a temporary date call. Set any duplicated rows to 0. Get rid of the temporary date column. This roughly half the runtime on my PC. For 100 loops. The questions method, 7.2929345999994624s. Method 1, 0.3330558000016026s. There could be some optimization by not making a temporary date column, but I'm not sure how to do this. Hopefully, someone with more pandas knowledge could let me know. This code also assumes that the data is already sorted by date.
You can use Boolean masking or df.where. Then use pd.series.first_valid_idnex in group B.
또 요한 세트시고 플리즈 건시더 subscribing.